Welcome to our YouTube video discussing the book Think Straight by Darius Foroux. In this video, we will provide you with a detailed summary of this thought-provoking book that will help you boost your mental clarity and live a meaningful life. Written by renowned author Darius Foroux, Think Straight is a compelling guide that explores the principles of clear thinking and strategic decision-making. Foroux is known for his insightful writings on personal development and practical strategies for achieving success. So, let's dive into the summary of this incredible book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. And don't forget to discover the incredible COMFIER full-body massage mat. Enjoy soothing shiatsu massage on your entire body and feel the tension melt away with the neck massager. Get yours today for pure bliss and comfort. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Click the link now in the description to get yours today, and be sure to remember to apply that coupon to enjoy savings of over $20. Thank you so much. In Think Straight, Foroux emphasizes the importance of developing a clear and focused mindset to navigate life's complexities and challenges. The book highlights the significance of critical thinking, self-awareness, and the ability to make sound decisions in various aspects of our lives. Throughout the book, Foroux provides readers with practical strategies and exercises to enhance their cognitive abilities and improve their rational thinking. From identifying cognitive biases to building mental resilience, Think Straight offers a wealth of actionable insights that readers can apply in their daily lives. By incorporating real-life examples and inspirational stories, Foroux makes the concepts in Think Straight relatable and easy to understand. Through compelling narratives and practical advice, readers can learn how to overcome mental obstacles, stay focused on their goals, and maintain a positive mindset in the face of adversity. Our ability to think clearly and make sound decisions is often hampered by the human mind's inherent flaws and biases. In Think Straight, Darius Foroux emphasizes the importance of mastering our thought processes to enhance clarity, decision-making skills, and overall life quality. The book explores techniques to overcome cognitive biases, focus our mental energy on aspects within our control, and develop mental resilience through habitual practice, much like training a muscle. It also delves into practical methods for self-reflection, visualization, and integrating thoughtful actions, while providing guidance on embracing unconventional perspectives and achieving inner tranquility. For instance, the author's effective daily writing routine is a testament to how well-organized thinking can translate into positive behaviors and results. Additionally, requesting additional time to consider decisions results in more deliberate responses. Clear evidence of effective thinking is demonstrated through actions that originate from carefully deliberated thoughts. Incorporating fundamental routines for physical activity and nutrition can minimize the necessity for frequent decision-making, facilitating smoother everyday activities. The author's carefully thought-out choice to initiate a subscription-based website, however, fell short of anticipated outcomes. Following a thorough assessment over a period of 6 weeks regarding the time commitment, the project was halted because it did not align with individual goals. In summary, the author realized the significance of dedicating attention to tasks that align with an individual's objectives and abilities. The narrative underscores that mere contemplation is not enough without implementation, stressing the significance of the discussed methods that are actionable. Productive thinking, actions that produce results. Liberating oneself from conventional ways of thinking. Finding success often means straying from the well-trodden path. This article provides guidance on breaking free from widely held convictions and fostering uniqueness in one's thinking and deeds. Embracing unconventional perspectives. Challenging commonly held assumptions and seeking novel solutions. The author underscores the significance of questioning the presuppositions that have solidified within our thought processes, which is a crucial move to liberate ourselves from customary modes of reasoning. By proactively exploring different perspectives and balancing them with our perceived truths, we can uncover more creative answers to our challenges. Philosophers frequently question established norms, illustrating that the distinction between fact and interpretation is not consistently distinct. The writer emphasizes the significance of charting a unique course for accomplishing tasks that diverges from conventional approaches. This deliberate deviation from the norm encourages looking for unique approaches rather than following the linear paths often misconceived as the only route to success. This perspective aligns with the pragmatic method, emphasizing the tangible outcomes and consequences stemming from ideas and actions. Charles Sanders Peirce is credited with starting the philosophical movement that later gained prominence through the work of William James, despite not being as famous. The author expresses a profound aversion to traditional ways of thinking. They promote an abundance mentality that embraces the simultaneous existence of various options, transcending the constraints of dichotomous selections. The author exemplified cognitive flexibility by balancing duties at a renowned company focused on IT research and overseeing a business, illustrating the feasibility of being involved in multiple ventures at the same time. Not getting bogged down in money worries. Developing an effective approach to manage personal finances while also keeping a sense of detachment. While essential, an obsession with money can be harmful. The author suggests a detached approach to managing personal finances, which includes 5 actionable guidelines. Refrain from making superfluous expenditures, save regularly, steer clear of borrowing, invest purposefully, and allocate funds liberally, recognizing that money can indeed be replenished. Central to this mindset is investing in skills, as job security is unpredictable and adaptability is key. The principles laid out encourage a balanced approach to money, valuing financial health without letting it overshadow every life decision. Develop mental resilience by regularly exercising it, akin to how you would train a physical muscle. Recognizing the significance of cognitive training is essential because it significantly improves our life quality and work efficiency. Viewing thinking as a skill. The writer emphasizes that by improving the way we think, we can achieve a greater sense of satisfaction in life, highlighting that the ability to think is a skill that can be developed rather than an immutable trait. Engage in ongoing education and cognitive workouts to bolster your thinking skills. To improve our personal and career trajectories, we must acknowledge the necessity of regularly training our minds, akin to how we exercise our muscles. Engaging in activities such as acquiring new knowledge, establishing a daily reading habit, and diligently recording detailed notes strengthens mental capabilities. Developing thinking habits through practice. Developing a habit of being thoughtful requires a dedication to continual improvement, similar to how regular practice enhances any ability. Incorporating regular reflection, analysis, and mental stimulation into daily life. We can improve our daily habits by engaging in thoughtful practices like keeping a journal and self-reflection, embracing new challenges, and continuously improving our decision-making processes. The author advises viewing all life events as opportunities for improving thought processes, encouraging a skeptical approach to one's initial thoughts, seeking mental peace through inward reflection, and maintaining an understanding that mental exercise is an ongoing process. The author underscores the necessity of a disciplined approach to enhance our cognitive skills, attaining a state of inner peace and clear-mindedness. Explore strategies to achieve tranquility and mental clarity through deliberate regulation of one's thoughts and sustained focus. Harnessing thoughts for a purposeful existence. Directing mental energy towards productive, fulfilling ends rather than worry or negativity. The book emphasizes the significance of mastering one's thoughts to achieve happiness and inner tranquility. The author emphasizes the necessity of directing one's mental focus away from trivial or harmful thoughts and toward goals that are beneficial and fulfilling. By releasing the compulsion to convince others that their viewpoint is the absolute reality, individuals can reduce unnecessary stress and redirect their efforts into more constructive pursuits. Furthermore, the author suggests that the way we think profoundly influences the direction our life takes. To initiate a change in our behavior, we must first alter the way we think. A valuable strategy involves channeling your thoughts towards constructive and beneficial objectives instead of succumbing to concerns or pessimistic attitudes. Feeding our intellect with a rich array of information allows us to forge meaningful relationships and guide our thoughts toward positive results. Attaining a state of focused awareness. Developing the capacity for objective and serene introspection of one's cognitive activities. Attaining a state of concentrated attention is equally essential for maintaining a serene and clear mindset. Cultivating the skill of monitoring one's thoughts and letting them drift by without holding onto them can lead to a state of mental equilibrium. The author describes his own experience of embracing obstacles as opportunities for growth. Instead of succumbing to frustration, he welcomes challenges, viewing them as signals of impending development and taking breaks to rejuvenate his mind. Furthermore, the concept underscores the necessity of interspersing moments of intense contemplation with intervals where the mind remains unoccupied by deliberate thinking. It's not necessary to allocate special time for meditation. One can infuse meditation into ordinary activities such as walking, exercising, or waiting. The fundamental technique involves recognizing your thoughts, watching them impartially, and then releasing them. Meditation's core practice, which can be engaged in whenever and wherever one chooses, fosters inner tranquility. The familiarity heuristic is a mental shortcut where people favor familiar things over unfamiliar ones. It stems from the availability heuristic, which influences judgments based on how easily examples come to mind. This bias can lead individuals to rely on past experiences when faced with similar situations, especially under cognitive load. While this heuristic can be helpful in decision-making, it may also introduce biases by favoring the known over the unknown. Descartes, a renowned philosopher, delved into personal cognitive patterns by questioning his own thoughts and beliefs. He famously stated, "Cogito, ergo sum, I think, therefore I am," emphasizing the importance of self-reflection and doubt in understanding one's existence. Descartes' exploration aimed to uncover truths by challenging assumptions and biases in his thinking process. His philosophical inquiries laid the groundwork for modern epistemology and the understanding of the self. Amos Tversky and Daniel Kahneman are renowned psychologists known for their groundbreaking work on cognitive biases. They identified various systematic thinking errors that influence decision-making processes, shedding light on how individuals deviate from rationality in predictable ways. Their research laid the foundation for the field of behavioral economics and counterarguments. While mastering thought processes can enhance decision-making, it's important to acknowledge that some degree of cognitive bias is inevitable and can sometimes lead to positive outcomes, such as faster decision-making in critical situations. The idea that cognitive biases are always flaws may be too simplistic. They can also be adaptive mental shortcuts that have evolved for efficiency. Recognizing flaws in decision-making doesn't always lead to improved outcomes, as overanalysis can lead to decision paralysis. Developing awareness to avoid harmful thought patterns assumes that individuals can always control their thoughts, which may not account for mental health conditions that affect thought patterns. Self-reflection, while beneficial, can sometimes lead to rumination and negative self-focus, which can be counterproductive. Visualization techniques may not be effective for everyone, as some people may struggle with creating mental images or find that it distracts from action. Emphasizing action based on thoughtful deliberation may overlook the value of intuition and spontaneous decision-making in certain contexts. In conclusion, Think Straight by Darius Foroux is a comprehensive guide that offers valuable tools and strategies for enhancing your cognitive abilities, improving decision-making skills, and leading a more purposeful life. By applying the principles outlined in this book, you can unlock your full potential and achieve greater success in all areas of your life. You can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. Thank you for watching our video on the book summary of Think Straight by Darius Foroux. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you found this book summary helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and self-improvement tips to help you achieve your goals and lead a more fulfilling life. And share this uplifting summary with someone who may benefit from hearing them. Leave a comment down below if you've read this book or have any other recommendations for us. And also don't forget to explore our curated playlists of book summaries covering various topics. Stay tuned for our next video where we will be discussing another impactful book. Remember to think straight and live life with clarity and purpose. Stay inspired and keep learning.